In this video, we will look at how to restart our school year. We have already completed some of the coursework and would like to continue the course. For this course, we started this in the middle of the school year. We took the summer off and we want to pick up where we left off. We have completed several chapters, so we want to shift the lessons forward. The easiest way to do this would be to use the Catch Up All Late Lessons from the Calendar tab. This will leave the work you've already done on those days and move the next lesson to be completed to the current date. Here, the system is warning you that you will be shifting all the lessons. You must check the box that you have read the warning. Next, you decide which student you want to apply this to. Click the Reschedule button. This is the quickest way to move forward and restart your school year. The Catch Up All Late Lessons applies to every course the student has been assigned and will move all unfinished work to the future. Keep in mind, this will affect your projected end date for all courses that were rescheduled. Another option we can use is the Reschedule tool from the calendar. Moving back on the calendar where the late lessons begin, we click on the first lesson not completed and click Reschedule. We choose the date that we want the lesson moved to. This box, Move All Lessons, is very important in this step. We want to move all the lessons in the course forward, so check this box and click Save. We will need to do this for each course we want to reschedule. This will only affect the current student we are viewing. If we have other students that need courses rescheduled, we will need to follow the same steps on their profile as well. We can also use the Shift Course Lessons from the Reschedule tools on the calendar. This is similar to the previous Reschedule tools, but we need the start date for the lessons we want to reschedule. The destination date is the date we want the lessons moved to. Like the other options, we are changing the projected end date of the course, so we want to make sure this comes before our product expiration date. You, as the parent, are in control of your school year. The Hub gives you the flexibility to adjust your school year to fit your homeschool needs.